If you've been living on the East Coast the past 3 years, you've probably started to realise that you're using these a little bit too often and wearing these way too much. And there's a reason for that. La Nina. La Nina is an oceanic and an atmospheric weather pattern that creates stronger winds than usual to travel across the Pacific Ocean. Mean anything to you? No, me either. But you don't need to be a scientist to realise that right now, places like New South Wales, Queensland, Victoria and Tasmania are currently underwater. And once again, it's because of La Nina. The Bureau of Meteorology, or should I say BOM, have said by January 2023, La Nina is going to end. But there's one other reason for these large amounts of rainfall, and that is us. We are starting to burn so many fossil fuels that our greenhouse gases are building up in the atmosphere, creating a climate crisis here in Australia. So right now, Australia is very wet, and that is not normal. But if Australia can be wet at one point, how can it be then alight the next? We're also starting to see devastating bushfires. In 2019, we saw the impacts of drier temperatures, hotter winds, and drier vegetation can have. And again, it's because of us. If we don't do anything to stop climate change, we're going to start seeing the climate crisis in Australia more regularly. Now is our time to take urgent action.